Here we go the next morning. See, he climbed right out the back of it. And wherever he went, hope he has a good one. All right. Hope you fathers out there have a great Sunday. Don't settle for no bullshit gifts. You make sure them females out there go get you something nice, because you know they expect something nice. And don't be letting no woman put no lingerie on talking about her body, her gift. Fuck that. Get your cheap ass out of here. Anyways, you see my redneck neighbors, boy, they park the car in their backyard. I wonder if they got a tidal pond looking for it. What the hell though? Anyways, I'm the single father of a dog. 6 years. No, 7 years I've been doing this on my own. 7 years. Just me, her, no support. No government support. Nothing. I don't get handouts. I do this on my own. Anyways, I'm out. Later.